Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. BioLite is taking a fresh and smart approach to providing emergency power in the home with a system called Backup by BioLite, now up on Kickstarter. It's a self-installed energy system that can go, for instance, alongside or on top of a refrigerator to keep it and other kitchen equipment running for up to 60 hours during a power outage. VP of Product Management Ryan Gist.
Importantly, it does not require any permitting or professional contractor or electrician. We like to say you can go from box to backup in 30 minutes or less. It's a lithium iron phosphate energy storage system that's got multiple layers of safety built in.
And between the Kickstarter discounts and government incentives, can be a very affordable solution. Find more info at bioliteenergy.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.